Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beaman Toyota, with my truck, of course. I wanted to show you guys something that's actually pretty cool here. I just kind of peeked, so I got a little bit of a view to it. So I had the tonneau cover put on my truck. This is the Toyota tonneau cover. It's the backflip style tonneau cover. I had this put on my truck. Now this cover, most of the times you hear like the Tacoma, it says that it is water resistant. I was told that this particular one is actually waterproof, which is a very different thing. So it's been raining here. We're in a bit of a lull right now. If you kind of look at the sky, you can definitely tell that it's been doing some stuff, and it's been raining most of the day. So what I wanted to do is to open it and to show you what it looked like, right? So when I open the back here, you can see there is absolutely almost no water in here. So basically, from where I can tell from where the water is, there's a little bit this back here, right on the very back side, a couple of drops, a little bit that's over here on the back side, a couple of drops, and then it looks like there's a little bit right here. I'm not quite sure where that's from, but kind of taking a look up here, it doesn't look like it's here. So I'm guessing that whatever it was is it's just probably rolled back from right here. So the whole reason I'm kind of showing you this is that I have seen Tacoma beds that have a lot of water in them from the tonneau covers, but this one, there's just no water. So where did this come from? Well, you have a track that's right here, and you could see that water that's dripping right there. So if you actually take a look, when I flip this up, you're gonna see that the water can get to this track right here. The water can get to this track right here, and you can kind of see a couple spots up here where the water's got to, but this is a rubber seal, right? So that rubber seal, it apparently works, right? So it's you know, the way that it lines up there, kind of give you an idea. But take a look. Like I said, we're in a lull right now, so there's no rain that's actually coming down right now. Looks like there's a little bit right there, but there's very little water on the inside based off of what I see here, of course. So I'll keep you updated if any of that changes. But like I said, you can see where it came from. It's right here. It's just on the back side where this ends. It's got to end somewhere, and there's nothing there. Now, if you look up front, by the way, you'll see these two little lines that come down on either side. That is the drains for up front. So you actually have a drain for that track up front too. So it shouldn't get, like I said, hardly any water on the inside, if any at all. And you can see where the water came on this one. So pretty cool, I think. So it's done its job. It did what I thought it would do, and pretty much what it was advertised to do. Like I said, this is the Toyota cover. Now keep in mind, there are covers you can put on there that are not waterproof, that are more just the water resistant style. So definitely make sure that you get the one that you want and go from there. All right, so I figured I'd try something else. Let's see how really good the old tonneau cover is. I'm going to take you through our car wash here. Might as well, right? We're going to take a peek at it, see what we think, and kind of go from there. But like I said, it's been raining all day, but that doesn't really force the water onto there. This will. So why not? Let's take a look. Let's see what the car wash does. We'll just take her straight through the car wash here, straight through the little downpour that comes at the end there. And I'll get it as wet as I can, and we'll see how well it seals up. So I'm curious to see how good we are, but we'll see where we go here. All right, we'll see you in a second. All right, guys, just took her through the old wash, rinse, and blow dry here, and obviously we're wet again, so we're gonna open the back again and take a look at it. So first we did it with just what the rain had been doing, and like I said, it's still a little bit rainy here. Light sprinkle right now, not a whole lot, but it has been raining all day. But we just took her through the car wash. Let's see what she did, right? So we're gonna pop the back open. I have not looked, and we'll kind of peek down here and we'll see the exact same thing we saw from just the rain. So we put as much water as we could into it. Now you can see that there's some down on the side here, but it all can come from right here, which is, like I said, this is how it drains, right? So it drains off the back side and then down here. So you're seeing the exact same thing over here, right? Let's pop this open, and you can see down in your track a little bit, it's water, right? But there's nothing on the back side at all. Look up there, there's nothing up there. Bed lights really help out a lot for this. Nothing on the side, nothing on the wheel wells. So like I said, this could be attributed to just kind of running up from back here. So you definitely would want to account for that if you had something that was going to be sensitive to the water in the very back of the vehicle. So you definitely would want to account for this very back ledge that's right here. And you just saw a little bit more come out of this drain right here. I'm on a little bit of an angle here, but yeah, you definitely would want to account for that. But hey, it looks like it's very dry in here. There's nothing that's crazy for your tonneau here. So once again, there you go. But Steve Walsh from Beeman Toyota, showing you another feature that I really like about my Tundra. So you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.